English is a key that opens many doors. Door to higher education, door to better employment opportunities, door to higher social status. Our academics can fetch us a job call, but to crack an interview, we need soft skills. Bear in mind that English is no more a language, it has become a skill. People have developed this notion that students from Madrasa background cannot excel in modern education. It is widely believed that the ulama and huffaz are confined and limited to the four walls of Madrasa and Masjid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How is life treating you? I'm your trainer, Hafiz Md Aqib Safi Qasmi. The question is, why do we need to learn English? In the galaxy of languages, English commands great prominence and significance. With the technological advancements, the world has shrunk into a global village, and English happens to be the language of that village. One can be exceptional in terms of academics, but without English fluency, he might not get a bright future, because people with poor communication are always low on confidence. They have terrible inferiority complex. English is a key that opens many doors. Door to higher education, door to better employment opportunities, door to higher social status. Our academics can fetch us a job call, but to crack an interview, we need soft skills. Bear in mind that English is no more a language, it has become a skill. And if you master this skill, it will pay you rich dividends, inshallah. That is why I also learned this language. Though I am Hafiz Quran and Alim Deen, I didn't have proper formal schooling. Neither did I go to college up until I was in graduation second year. I did my SSC in Urdu medium, my plus 2 in Urdu medium. Very rarely did I get the environment to speak in English. But here I am. Alhamdulillah, I'm a postgraduate. I have done Masters in Business Administration. I have done B.Ed. I have done TESOL, that is a certificate globally accepted for an ESL English trainer. People have developed this notion that students from Madrasa background cannot excel in modern education. It is widely believed that the ulama and huffaz are confined and limited to the four walls of Madrasa and Masjid. This is a myth. I wanted to break this myth, and to be very honest with you, it wasn't so challenging and daunting for me, because for me the biggest inspiration and my role model is my father. Alhamdulillah, my father, Hafiz Muhammad Abdul Mateen Sahab, besides being a solid Hafiz, he holds dual masters. He has done MA English and MSc Zoology. Recently he retired as government headmaster of Vattepalli High School, Hyderabad. He was my first teacher. I always learn from him. I do my extent best to walk into his footsteps. Here, I would like to make mention of my trainer, Hamad Alvi sir. He is the trainer of many trainers. He was the person who ignited my passion for the language. He simplified the language for me. I did basic course, and Alhamdulillah, he taught me amazingly well. I'm not blowing my own trumpet. I'm just giving my example. My message is clear, that if a boy from Madrasa background can excel in this language, why can't you? At SkillFord, we bridge the gap between campus and corporate. We do visa processing, and we help students study abroad. We also provide services to immigration PR for Australia and Canada. We are into training as well. We provide incomparable, unparalleled training in IELTS, PTE, TOEFL, and General English. With all assurance, I can say that training imparted at SkillFord is truly exceptional. It's incredibly amazing, because we have a trainer who is a versatile genius, who is highly competent individual, who is richly experienced corporate trainer. I'm talking about Mr. Syed Hassanuddin Anas sir, who happens to be the director at SkillFord. And Alhamdulillah, I am fortunate enough to have him as my trainer and my mentor. He has been teaching me, and he is the one who instilled confidence in me. If it wasn't for his efforts, for his teaching, and for his unconditional support, I would not be sitting here. He is the one who brought drastic transformation in my life. I can't thank him enough. Let's call it a day. Take a very good care of yourself. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum.